Okay, ready?
Ready,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, guys. So I'll show you a picture for the 30 seconds. Okay, then I'll give you 1 minute to write down the details, age, mood, and gender. Then you'll get 3 minutes to write down your story, or directly you can say that totally I'll give you time 4 minutes 30 seconds. 30 seconds to see the picture, observe it carefully, right? Before writing us your story, observe carefully. That will help you to make good story. Okay. And when I ask you to narrate your story, to make sure that will stick, like you will finish in 1 minute, right? Don't take more than that. Am I clear? English आती है सबको?
Yes,
ऐसा कोई
yes,
जिसको
sir.
नहीं आती? Anyone? Is it visible? Say yes if it is.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Carry on. Please start. Okay, gentlemen, please put your pen down. Everyone. Done? लिख लिया सबने? Sanjay? Salman?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So guys, go through your story. I'm giving you 45 seconds. Right? Properly go through that. Okay guys, हो गया? पढ़ ली स्टोरी सबने?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ संजय बोलिए प्लीज, माइक ऑन कीजिए. दीक्षित, बस बस वो पेपर पकड़ो पीछे और क्रश करके फेंक दो पीछे या साइड में रख दो, जो भी है क्रश कर दो.
Notebook, yes, sir.
एवरीवन डू इट. नोटबुक रखिए,
Notebook,
नोटबुक बंद करो, साइड में रखो. दिखाओ पहले मुझे, बंद कर दी सबने?
Yes, sir.
ओके गुड. अपने आप से झूठ नहीं बोलना लाइफ में, भले ही किसी से बोलो. संजय, हाँ बोलो संजय, आप कुछ बोल रहे थे? संजय, संजय कैन यू हियर मी? Okay guys, so the
Thank
next
you.
thing is that, okay fine guys, so next thing that everyone have to narrate their story, right? What they wrote in that sheet, and then they'll finish in the next 1 minute. समझ रहे हो? 1 मिनट में उसको खत्म कर देना है आपको स्टोरी को. Don't try to drag more. थोड़ा ठीक है 1 मिनट से 5 सेकंड 10 सेकंड. स्टोरी मुझे अच्छी लगी तो मैं सुनूंगा, नहीं लगी तो मैं स्टॉप करके नेक्स्ट बढ़ जाऊंगा. So Jasbir, you can start. Then Aman, then Suraj, then Dikshit, Salman and Sanjay would be the last. जब संजय खत्म कर देगा तो आप लोग डिस्कस शुरू कर सकते हो, ठीक है?
Okay.
ओके ना? चलो जसबीर प्लीज स्टार्ट.
Okay, sir. So, gentlemen, I perceive that there are 3 characters in the story, and my main hero is Aman. All as we can see, are in uniform. So, I perceive that they are in NCC unit. And Aman, just before his athletic events in NCC, had a sprain in his leg. So, his friend tried to stop him from participating in athletic event, but he said that he will cope up with the pain and will try to give his best. So he gave his best in the race and finished the race by winning in the first place. Thank you.
Okay, friends. So picture shown to us. I found there are 3 characters. All are male, and the nature of the story is negative, and the action of the story is suspicious activity on the way. So Ravi is a police officer. One day, with his colleagues, he was going to inspect the site on his way. He noticed that something suspicious was taken place at a distance. He immediately approached that place with his colleagues and found there are a truck with lots of goods. Ravi inspects those trucks and found unsuspicious. After that, he was normally inspect the place normally. Thank you.
Friends, from the picture shown to us, I have perceived 3 characters. All of them are male of the age group of 20 to 24 years old. And the mood is neutral. Rahul, who is an NCC cadet, and one day while doing his drills in the morning, 2 of his friends came to him in panic and described the situation of a dog stuck in a water flume, where Rahul decided immediately to help the dog. He got a rope from the basement, from the camp, and he reached the spot at that time immediately, and he tied the rope with his waist and he entered into the water flume by giving one of another rope and to his friends, and then he get the dog out of the water flume and he gave some first aid to the dog, and then he saved the dog, and after that he went again to his camp and started his doing his drills again. Thank you.
So in the picture shown to us, there are 3 characters, all of them in the positive mood, and all of them are the male characters. So the main character of my story is Vyom, who is working as a forest guard. So during his normal working hour, when he was returning from his patrolling duty along with the other two members of his team, he saw some ladies cutting the forest trees, which is an illegal activity. So Vyom along with the other member of his team went to that ladies and explained them that it is illegal to cut the forest trees. He also told them about the he also told them to take the benefit from the Pradhan Mantri gas Ujjwal Bima Yojana, so that they can get the subsidy to have the gas cylinder for cooking purpose. And so with the effort of Vyom and his team, the lady agreed, and Vyom helped the lady to open the bank account to get the benefit from that Ujjwal Bima schemes. And lady agreed to the advice of Vyom, and they stopped cutting the forest trees. Thank you.
Gentlemen, I saw three characters in the story. So my main character is Jaunty, and another two his friends is Razi and Aman. There are three rangers. I saw them in the safari. There are three forest rangers. They are going for their forest safari. So on that basis, when they are going while for their normal forest safari, their car get stuck in the forest due to low fuel. So that's why our main hero is Jaunty knows a very near petrol pump, so that he can go and bring the petrol, and that's the story overs. Thank you.
So friends, as many of us has perceived, like there are three characters.
Wait, one second,
So
one
let
second.
us
Sanjay Sharma
quickly-
didn't spoke it right, I think so. Sanjay,
Yes, sir.
आपका turn है, आप story बोलिए.
Hello, gentlemen. Yes, sir. Hello, gentlemen. I saw in this picture there are three main character in this picture as of 22-24, and they are the three friends. Two boys, two friends are the positive mind, and one is negative mind, because two friends are talking each other about the third friend of Suraj, and two friends is Aman and Surya. Aman and Surya is telling about the Suraj because he is a negative mind. Sir, I wrote something. That's it. Thank you.
So friends, as many of us
So,
have
gentlemen,
perceived, there
I
are three
perceive that-
characters. So let us fix it to be at three characters, and all of them
perceive
are
that
in
many of us agree
neutral
on
mood.
NCC
One
part.
second, guys, 1 second. संजय, आपको माइक ऑन कीजिए, आपको डिस्कस करना है अपनी स्टोरी, सबको मिलके ना एक स्टोरी
Okay,
बनानी
sir.
है.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
जैसे
Okay.
आप जैसे सब लोग
Okay.
डिस्कस
I think
करेंगे,
guys,
कोई अपनी स्टोरी बोलेगा, समझ रहे हो? तो आप
gentlemen,
सबको मिलके ना
firstly-
अपनी एक पर्टिकुलर स्टोरी बनानी है. आपको एक लीडर चूज करना है, वो सबकी स्टोरी बोलेगा. सबको ये कॉम्प्रोमाइज
sir,
करना है, कंट्रीब्यूट
So
करना है,
friends,
अपनी
was I
stories का, एक अच्छी पिक्चर लेकर आनी है. ठीक है? प्लीज.
Okay, sir. Okay.
so friends,
Okay,
what I
my friends,
perceive is there are
let's-
three characters
let
who
us
are
first
trying
Yes,
time-
I
to
have three
firstly
friends,
the-
and
who are trying to
talk
inspect the
about,
site
two is
and
positive mind,
notice
and one
something
is negative
suspicious
mind,
happened.
and two is
Let's
working
first-
properly.
Buddy, I think we all can agree
My
that they
friend, we
belong
have
to
to-
NCC part,
first-
as they
no, no, no,
they
no.
are not very
First
above
we have
age.
to
They
talk
are
about
looking
the
around
jeep,
20 to 25.
because we saw a jeep
Two
in the
friends is the
Yes,
negative
so
mind,
I
one
think
is
they all-
positive mind.
That can
the
be in
jeep was
Yeah, we
also
can
I think, guys,
lying
jeep
behind
is-
them.
Friends,
So
I think
stuck
they
in
are
the
in a
forest
negative
for
mood,
other-
because
It is clearly
The
Buddy,
showing the
boy
image
seems
that
to
they
be
are
as
very,
it was shown in the
very
picture,
nervous,
the
and he
main
seems to be in
character,
panic. So
the
he's
main
trying to
heroes
reach
and the
to somewhere.
objects near us, the forest, the car, and
Buddy,
all
main
the three
character of the
characters.
story,
So first we have
he
to
has
yeah,
his
yeah,
leg
you are
is a
right.
little
adding
above
up to the point of
ground.
previous
So I
speaker,
think he can have a strain
uniform
or pain in his
of the
leg.
characters shown in the
Yeah.
picture was
Yes, I
looking
totally
like the
agree
forest
with
ranger.
this. They are all are wearing uniform, so let us consider them as the NCC cadets.
NCC
And
cadets.
also
NCC
okay,
cadets.
okay,
Let us
okay,
fix
okay.
to
Jeep
be
vehicle
NCC
was
cadets.
lying behind them.
And we can say that
So,
NCC
the-
agree with
that's
you.
the thing.
Also, they
But,
seem
the
to be
vehicle
at
which
some
is
kind of
behind them.
campings. There are
see,
tents behind them.
according
There are
to
tents
best
behind
for
them.
our story.
So let us fix.
Buddy,
So
there
let
are
us fix
tents
that
and
they
jeep
are
behind
at
them.
But just
That can
behind
be
the-
present
but
in
just
an NCC camp.
it is clearly seen the image. Just behind the image there are a lot of trees, so that we can perceive as a
We can-
forest officer
Yes,
two among trees.
okay.
Buddy, but forest
Yes,
officers,
and also
and
the
they are
jeep
trying
was
they are
lying
very,
behind
Buddy,
them,
we
and
can-
they are not very
completely
aged.
and
looks
they are
like
noticing
the-
something
You
suspicious
can
on
go
that
to
side.
belongs
So
to
I
some
think
forest ranger.
buddy,
they look
let
around
us
20
Guys,
take-
to
instead of
25
using
years.
buddy,
NCC
use
cadets
are not very
gentleman
aged.
or
Let's make
friends. Like, gentleman is okay, friends is okay, but why you guys saying buddy? Then you will use bay and all this, right? Okay. So maintain that, you know, professionalism a little bit. You getting my point? You're all graduates, so just, you know, little bit, you have to make a little bit professional, I would say. That is okay, but buddy, like we doing casual talk, right? But just try to stick to the gentleman. Don't go beyond that, right? Okay, please carry on.
Gentlemen, firstly, we have to take both three characters. Okay, good. Let it take it that NCC cadet. No problem. Then let us talk about the Jeep. Because the Jeep is also the main character.
Yes,
We
the
know
Jeep
all
was
the
the
three
there are
characters, but
standing
behind
behind
the
the
Jeep,
character.
Be
behind
present
the
in
Jeep
an
there are
NCC
two
camp.
tents.
so we
And
have to
the area
include a
that-
Jeep
Yeah,
in our
that's
Jeep
why
and
I was
tent
saying there
can be present
two
in an
tents
NCC
behind the
camp.
Jeep, and they all are at a NCC camp. Yeah. So let us fix it at
Okay.
as NCC camp.
NCC
Okay, they are
camp,
visiting
okay.
NCC camp.
Okay,
view,
done, done.
the
Yes.
Jeep is not
Gentlemen.
given to the NCC candidates. So
can leave the
Jeep
Jeep
is
to-
mainly
It can be
for
someone
the
else.
forest
Office
rangers
because he
that can be used for the
maybe
patrolling purpose.
I
commanding
think-
officer.
Considering them as a
Let us
forest
take a
officer as an
forest rangers.
occupation.
They are not
Okay.
very above
They,
age.
they are trying
They
to
are looking
inspect
around
on the
20 to
side, like in
25.
the
That can be a age of NCC cadet.
But
Commanding
those
officer
two
of the
NCC
NCC,
cadets, which I can
but-
see behind,
But the
But
Jeep
they
was
exceed the
shown
age
Buddy,
limit,
behind
no?
them.
NCC
So
cadets
they all
also
are
is
in
not
have
NCC
some
how to
cadets.
significance
drive
also.
because
But
they are
they
commanding
exceed the
above
age
the age
limit.
of
They
18.
are.
They are above the
I
age of
don't.
Have any
Forest
equipment?
area.
Let's move and let's move ahead.
Yeah.
Yes,
I think
and
all
we
of
can,
you
with the
can
forest
agree on
consider
ranger
them as a
and
NCC
they are
candidate, but
NCC cadets.
Jasveer Singh, you have to give some specific reason about the Jeep that was lying behind the main character.
Okay,
So,
okay. A Jeep
term
and
of
a tent
NCC,
can
the
be
Jeep-
present in a NCC camp. And as you have mentioned that they are rangers, they don't seem to have any weapons or anything, something like that are rangers using the forest. Do you agree?
Bro,
Buddy,
if no,
why
if
are-
you go with
why
the
we are
forest ranger
complicating
can
this?
be without
If you're-
weapon
Gentlemen,
when they are
why we are
patrolling
complicating
the
this?
gold
How
mine.
they can be
They-
without weapon, yeah? They are in a forest. How can they be
Because,
without a weapon?
There is a forest area near my town, and I have seen many forest ranger that do patrolling without having any weapon in their hand. They can put
And
their
also
weapon
those two
in the
officers are
Okay,
Jeep
known to
and
be very
all-
afraid.
They
Afraid of
also wear
something.
shorts while they are patrolling.
yes, yes, it can be
Gentlemen,
a,
let us
it
agree
can be
with
an
Are you
attire
seeing
for
any
the
guns or
forest ranger.
something else in the picture?
Because I am seeing the Jeep lying behind them, so they can put their weapon in the Jeep, and might be they have seen some
Jeep and
situation
tent
of
can
helping the
also
other.
be
Actually,
present
Because
in
Jeep
if
is
they are
a
going
Jeep
to
is a
help
method.
someone,
Jeep,
because
think
if
Jeep
they
is
are
the
going to help
only medium
someone
to-
and
Why
someone
we are
and going with the
stopping
Jeep is the
weapon
only
to help
medium to
someone
rangers
will
and
not
help
be
only a
a
medium.
good
ahead,
idea.
na? We have to complete the story. Understand? We have to complete the story. Why we are stucking on the three rangers and the
Jeep.
Jeep. Let us,
Jeep.
okay, fine.
Okay, let us
Let us
fix
fix
how-
fix three cadets and the Jeep. They got stuck because of the low fuel. Okay, now move ahead, please.
Okay, so many
Now,
of us has agreed on the part that they are
done.
cadets and they stuck
Okay.
due to fuel,
In the forest due to fuel low. Okay, done.
due to low fuel.
Gentlemen, shall move on.
Okay,
Yes.
okay with that. So we can consider them as an NCC cadet, and their Jeep got
Huh.
stuck in the forest area.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
we
one
can
of
go ahead with
one
it,
of
but-
us are gentlemen tell that the they saw women who are cutting the trees. A good story, man.
Gentlemen,
Let
you
us
have
take
1 minute.
ahead.
Please conclude your story.
Because-
1 minute.
But gentlemen,
So let us
a
include
NCC
those
cadet
women
and
cutting the
women
trees.
cutting
Yeah,
trees,
yeah, yeah.
they cannot be
Okay.
related.
Yeah, totally. We will include that, and he also made aware about those women, like
Yes.
they should not cut the trees.
So
Huh.
yes, I have
Good.
given
And
the point
also ask
about
those
that the
women,
women
like,
cutting the
is
trees
there any
and
garage? Is there any
that
garage or
we
some
can
kind
also
of?
add
Is there any
these
garage? Is
NCC
there any
cadets.
petrol
Yeah,
pump
that's
near
why.
near to the? Yeah. Is there any
Gentlemen,
petrol
is
pump
there-
near
Because
to
Sanjay,
those
speak
women
up,
seem
man.
to
Take
be
a part in the
really
discussion.
NCC and
संजय
must
बोलो
talk.
यार, आप बोल ही नहीं रहे हो कुछ, ऐसे थोड़ी ना चलेगा, आप सीखोगे कहाँ से फिर आप?
Okay, sir. Okay.
okay, let's give Sanjay a chance.
Okay.
Buddy,
I'm
we have
saying.
very few
I
minutes
say
left.
Okay, you have 3 main character. You are saying they are 3 NCC cadets. If first is okay,
Yeah.
then is
Yes,
the
yes,
empathy of
yes.
feeling of the car, jeep, anything else? Maybe in the car, in a jeep, will be commanding. If you are saying NCC cadet, maybe commanding officer of the unit will come with him. If you are going with a empathy of
Yes,
petrol
yes.
fuel
Considering
of the jeep.
one candidate
Buddy,
as a commanding
Yeah,
officer,
buddy,
then
If you,
while
the point of
yeah, yeah,
jeep
buddy,
will
while
commanding
be
officer, yes.
going to be
If
going to be relevant with
if
that.
I saying
gentlemen, while finding
if you are saying
fuel
he's
for
a
the car,
forest
they saw
officer.
3 women and let me complete.
Cutting
They
trees,
find
and
while
they
cutting
stopped
no,
those
while
women.
finding the fuel for their
Okay,
car
so
because
so
the
we
fuel
agree
got
on
But
Salman point
NCC
that they
but
saw
NCC
some
of
women cutting the trees.
but
okay,
NCC
okay,
cadet is the
they,
best
so
option.
Okay,
so
Salman, you
They
are
will
saying
going for
saw
a
that they
three
trekking.
saw
women.
some women
They
cutting
will
the
go for
trees.
They saw
trekking.
They
3
stopped
women,
those
some women.
women
Okay,
They
and
will go for trekking in
some
asked
NCC
those
camp.
women
ask
about
them
the garage or some mechanic
or nearest
so that
petrol
they
pump
can.
or nearest petrol pump.
Yeah.
Okay, nearest
Yes,
petrol
yes.
pump.
Yes.
And unfortunately, because they are NCC cadets, so their duty to stop women to
Stop the woman from cutting
who
the
are
trees.
cutting the
Yes.
trees. Don't cut the trees. We have to save trees. And
Yes,
one of
yes.
our gentlemen said that he save trees and even use
One more
one
thing,
of
one
our
more
And
thing is
Also made
make
aware
them
about
aware
I
about
have
LPG.
a doubt. I
one
have
more
a
thing
doubt.
is
share
one more
that
thing
we
is
are
Why
our
only
schemes,
women?
one more
our
thing.
schemes
NCC
I have
about
a
cadet
doubt
have a
like
written discipline.
Pradhan Mantri
see,
Yojana as he
But
okay.
one thing is
And
one
no,
main point is
in
Gentlemen,
the
yes,
please,
end,
everything,
now your time is
everything
over.
is fine.
unity
Yes,
and motto opinion.
Gentlemen, now
no,
time
no,
is over.
buddy,
everything is
NCC
fine. But why we
NCC
include
NCC
women
motto is
only?
unity and
Gentlemen,
discipline.
please stop it. I think you're done. So please tell me who is going to tell the story.
I think Sir Salman be the right person to narrate the conclusion of the story.
Okay. Suraj, what do you say?
Sir, I would like to nominate myself.
Okay. Dikshit,
yes, Salman agreed with Salman.
Jasbir, Salman.
Sir Suraj.
Okay, Suraj. Aman. Okay, Aman told Salman. Sanjay,
me.
you'll decide the fate. Do it fast.
Sir Jasbir.
Okay, sir. I saw 3 cadets in the picture. They are NCC cadets. They are going from normal way to their normal forest safari. While for this forest safari, they saw that their उनकी गाड़ी का पेट्रोल खत्म हो गया. Okay, so while searching for the fuel, they saw 3 women working there, and unfortunately one of them, the character our main character Jonty, saw that the one of the women cutting the tree. So he ran to him and tell him that please don't cut the trees because we have to save trees, because as we cut trees, it leads to shortage of oxygen, and if no oxygen, where do we live? So the women get understand the concept that we have not cut the trees, and instead in the help in the okay, in return she says that you nearest petrol pump is about 2 kilometers, so you can go and take your petrol. Thank you, sir.
Okay, gentlemen. So कैसी लगी स्टोरी जो आप लोगों ने बनाई लास्ट में?
Sir, not
हाँ, Suraj.
मेरा
as
first
मतलब सर
my first time था सर, इसलिए सर दिस इज
हाँ,
माय
Suraj.
फर्स्ट
thought
टाइम, so
कि
I'm
इसमें
sorry.
सर
Maximum
sir,
points
the
made,
story
sir.
did not match the
ठीक है, sir.
expectations.
Sir, actually,
Yes,
I have a
last
doubt.
part-
Like, why we only include a woman in it? Like, they are trying to
Yes, sir.
cut the votes
We
and
can-
all, something like this. So it is.
अभी सलमान ही बताएगा. सलमान, which part of India are you from?
सर रुड़की सर, नॉर्थ पार्ट
रुड़की. तो आपके यहाँ लेडीज गांव में रहते हो, शहर में रहते हो?
सर, गांव विलेज.
अच्छा, गांव में. तो आपके यहाँ गांव में लेडीज लकड़ी वकड़ी इकट्ठा करके लाती हैं
हाँ, यस सर,
जलाने
यस
के लिए? कहाँ से लाती हैं? पेड़ काटती हैं, फिर सूखी हुई तोड़ के लाती हैं, टूटी हुई लेके आती हैं?
सूखी हुई भी लाती है सर, पेड़ भी काट देते हैं.
पेड़ भी काटती हैं, sir.
अच्छा, पेड़ भी काट देते हैं तो उसको सुखाते होंगे ना, ये गीली में लगा देते हैं आग?
पेड़ भी काटती है.
नहीं,
यहाँ पर
काटते
तो
हैं,
सर
बट दे
पंच
कीप इट
होता
फॉर
है ना.
सम पीरियड ऑफ टाइम.
नहीं सर, गिली तो नहीं लगाते, अपनी लाठी छिपकर ला के डाल देते हैं.
Yes, sir, yes.
यस सर, यस
क्या
सर.
कह रहे हो? आवाज नहीं आ रही मुझे क्लियरली. कौन कह रहा है?
सर
हाँ, प्लीज बोलिए.
सर वो अपनी छत पे लाके डाल देता अगर गीली भी होती है तो।
अच्छा तो सूख के जलाएंगे ना उसको, बस काट के डाल
हाँ
देते हैं
सर,
ना।
हाँ सर। यस सर।
तो स्टोरी क्या बनी? वो फॉरेस्ट रेंजर्स थे राइट, एनसीसी
sir.
कैडेट्स थे। कहाँ जा रहे थे वो? कभी एनसीसी
Sir,
वाले
एनसीसी कैडेट्स है सर।
कभी एनसीसी वाले को गाड़ी ले जाते देखा है ऐसे, ऐसी गाड़ी
नो सर, नो सर।
कभी देखा तो मुझे बताओ।
फॉरेस्ट
वो तो-
रेंजर्स।
और ये यूनिफॉर्म है वो
कमांडिंग
जेडीज की
ऑफिसर हो
यूनिफॉर्म है
सकता
मेरे
है,
ख्याल से।
अगर कमांडिंग ऑफिसर उनका।
ये जो यूनिफॉर्म है वो जेडीज की यूनिफॉर्म है, जूनियर डिवीजन। एसडी की यूनिफॉर्म में तो फुल पैंट रहता है, पर ठीक है,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
गर्मी हो शायद कच्चा पहन लिया हो।
So they maybe sir they will be in track, no sir. Trekking camp.
हाँ ट्रैकिंग भी हो सकता है।
जैसे they will be in trekking camp.
हाँ बैकपैक कहाँ है फिर उनका? बैग है पीछे उनके?
Sir,
No, sir.
no sir.
बैग सर व्हीकल में भी हो सकता
It
है।
can be in car sir।
In a
Okay,
tent,
let
sir.
me let me show you a picture again.
Sir, in
Let
the
me show you a
picture
picture
of
again.
backside, sir.
It's a camp
In the
scene, I
tent house,
suppose,
sir.
right? दिख रहा है आप लोगों को पिक्चर क्लियरली?
Yes, sir.
मेरे पास
Tent,
टाइम
tent,
ज्यादा
yes,
नहीं है।
camp।
Sir.
The tent.
पीछे
Yes sir, it was a camp scene, sir.
Tent, sir.
It is a kind of camp scene, and you can see their mood is a bit suspicious, kind of, isn't it?
Yes
Yes,
sir,
sir.
yes, sir.
No sir, the last two are
They're
afraid
searching
of
for
something,
They are
and
quite
the one,
shocked.
the first two,
Yeah,
yes sir,
Yeah.
they
and the
saw
first
something.
one seemed to be very brave.
I know, yeah, it's quite brave. It's going to take the initiative or action, but they are not sure. They are a little bit suspicious that what they saw was not even. They're not able to believe that. Maybe they encountered something they should not. So what I want you guys to do that take out time. Like tomorrow we will discuss this same story. Just think, just little bit, put some pressure on your head or something like that, right? That at least you can come to some consensus because you see their facial expression. हो सकता है वहां कोई जानवर हो सकता है वाइल्ड कैट हो, could be anything, right? Could be anything. मैंने क्या
Sir, it
वाइल्ड
might
कैट?
be stuck,
Sir,
or it might be stuck in something.
Yes,
हो
sir.
सकता हाँ
सर जैसे सर इसकी जो मेन कैरेक्टर है फ्रंट की तरफ सर, उसके जो लेग्स में सर वो थोड़ा लिम्बिंग करता हुआ दिख रहा है।
हाँ, he is
एक
moving, I
बारी
suppose.
करेगा।
हाँ थोड़ा सा
Actually,
मूव कर रहा है
आई
आगे।
थिंक
He's moving, sir.
हाँ जी सर, जैसे तो लग रहा है
और
ना
वो
कि
बड़ा ही ना
सर उसके
डर डर के
इंजरी
जा
आ
रहा
रखी है,
है।
फिर भी वो डर मतलब कुछ करने जा रहा है जो वो नहीं करना चाहता, उसको करना नहीं चाहिए।
मुझे तो
सर, यहाँ
ऐसा
पर
लग
ये
रहा
हो
है
सकता था कि
रिलक्टेंट है लेकिन करना
सांप
चाह रहा
मतलब
है।
सर जैसे
सांप हो
सर
सकता है,
एथलेटिक
कोई
इवेंट
जहरीली
होता
चीज हो
है
सकती है, इसको
सर, या
देखते हुए जा रहे हैं।
एथलेटिक इवेंट होता है या कोई ट्रैकिंग होती है, तो उसमें सर कोई ऐसा काम कर रहा है वो कि जो उसे करना नहीं चाहिए, पर वो
Sir, maybe,
डेडिकेटेड है कि वो
सर,
करेगा।
यहाँ
अगर
पर
सर
ऐसा हो
ये
Okay
सकता है
guys,
कि
okay guys,
वहाँ camp-
guys, we'll do one thing. ये जो
Yes,
पिक्चर है ना आपको उसमें मिल जाएगी गूगल पे, ठीक है? ये पूछी गई है पिक्चर, टैट में पूछी गई है, इंडियन कोस्ट गार्ड में, एफएसबी में, ठीक है? फाइनल सिलेक्शन बोर्ड में। तो मैं आपको ये कहूंगा, देखो आपने जो स्टोरी बनाई ठीक है आपके परसेप्शन के हिसाब से, बट मैं चाहता हूँ थोड़ा और दिमाग लगा, थोड़ा रिलेट कर सको चीजों को लेकर। समझ रहे हैं मेरी बात?
Yes,
तो
sir.
इस पे टाइम लो,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? और इस पे टाइम लो और अपने लेवल पे ट्राई टू सॉर्ट आउट दिस थिंग, कल हम डिस्कस करेंगे इस पे, दैट वुड बी बेटर ऑप्शन है।